Important things to do when the grape harvest begins to increase. Thinning out excess branches. Purpose: direct the plant's energy into the harvest, not into excess leaves and branches. Improve air circulation in closed areas, so that the sun's rays fully reach the fruits. How to do it? Leave 1 to 2 strong fruiting branches at each node, and cut the others. Branches that grow inward and cross each other are cut. If the branching is too dense, you need to selectively remove unnecessary parts. Thinning the bunches. Reason: if there are many fruits in each bunch, they will be small and less sweet. To ensure uniform growth and ripening of the grapes, leave 1 to 2 strong fruiting branches in one bunch. Implementation: leave the largest and most beautiful grapes on the branch and remove the rest. Maintaining the correct number of leaves. Rule: 10 to 12 leaves per bunch of grapes is enough on average. This is enough for photosynthesis and for sun plus air circulation. Optimal watering and fertilization. Watering: after flowering, water deeply every 7 to 10 days. Water at the base of the roots, not from above. Fertilizers: potassium and phosphorus-based fertilizers make the crop larger and sweeter. Do not apply too much nitrogen during this period. It will only increase the number of leaves and weaken the crop disease and pest prevention. Fungicide treatment against powdery mildew, oidium, and powdery mildew. Use natural remedies or selective insecticides against pests.